I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Have the umbrella handy throughout the remainder of the day as we'll continue to deal with spotty downpours across the area with localized flooding, certainly a possibility. Take a look at TrueCast. Not everybody's going to see the rain. You could go throughout the entire day without seeing a drop, but where it does rain, it is going to come down hard. It's going to come down fast, but it will be brief. These storms may only last 15 to maybe 30 minutes in your neighborhood. Flooding, the biggest concern. A few of them may contain some gusty wind as well, so be aware of that, but we are not concerned about the potential of hail for the day today. For the weekend, tomorrow, very similar to today. Scattered storms in the afternoon, a high of 82. Sunday will probably be the better day of the weekend. It's a little warmer at 84 degrees, but it will also be drier with partly cloudy skies and only about a 20% chance of an isolated storm.